Hey guys, it's February 17th, 2021. Let's take a look at how CleanSpark traded today. So it's roughly 9:30 Eastern. Um, so CleanSpark opened up and sold off. It hasn't really been following a lot of patterns too much that I could really see where it was going to be heading. Until they actually started shifting right here. So around the hour of 12, more like around probably 11:30. Let's see. Yeah, about 11:30. The market shifted. So we're looking like on the 5 minute. Of course, the 5 minute doesn't really matter too much. Back to the 1 hour. We're actually doing pretty good. We've done quite a bit of a uptrend here, and you can see now a clearer pattern that it's following. The RSI is pretty low. It's still about 61, low enough for us to get over zero here. The MACD has just crossed over the signal, so hopefully we'll continue the uptrend here. So we'll probably see some resistance here around 31.27 or 25. Hopefully we'll be able to get some volume to push and kind of ride this angle right here. Let's see. So yeah, that is this line right here is a Fibonacci number at the 38%. So yeah, hopefully we'll be able to poke through here and maintain that, probably trade sideways a little bit once we get up to this point until maybe around opening bell. So hopefully we'll continue to trend there. On a daily time frame, we held up. We didn't go far back down, so hopefully, yeah, this is a bullish trend. Hopefully we'll start peaking back up. Alright guys, so that's kind of how it played, but as far as news goes, there's a reason for all these bullish upheavals, so let's look into it. So they released a new product that's called mVolt. Basically, it's their solution to microgrid residential. Basically, the quick synopsis of a microgrid controller is to bridge the different power that's actually being introduced into the grid at the home. That's the microgrid, and so that's what it's basically doing. It does that through hardware and software. So there is software related to it. That they have an application that it runs on the phone. So that's a good solution that they can provide for homeowners in the residential. So looking as early as bringing it on this April, and installations to be starting in summer 2021. So that'll be good. That's a good increase for that side of their house. The actual controller microgrid Porsche side. So let's see. So the next set of news that came out is the CEO is actually gonna be on a Fire Chat side, airing tomorrow. They're gonna cover the recent quarter performance and then their 2021 outlook, which I'm very bullish on. And again, I'm not a financial analyst, professional trader, and all that stuff. It's just me reviewing what I'm researching with the company and how I'm playing them. But anyways, So they're going to be talking about that and like their residential initiative, what we just saw, possibly new partnerships, and the growth of their Bitcoin mining operations, which we'll talk about next. So that'll be tomorrow. So I'm going to try to attend that so I can see what's going on with that, because I am invested in CleanSpark. All right, so the biggest one is this one here. So not really this particular sentence, but this particular sentence, the one analyst that's covering them raised their price target from $24 to $50. There's a reason why, and we'll go into it. Kind of briefly touched on it when the coverage of the Q4. A part of their income streams of one of their divisions is they have a data center, I believe it's in Atlanta, that mines Bitcoin. They've actually recently upgraded it to I believe a 65% more capacity. So, and then to mine Bitcoin, but with the increase of Bitcoin right now, let's see, the current price is 52,000. So it's increasing, and so that actually will create more value because that they're mining Bitcoin, and they're from what it looks like is that the $50 mark is based on Bitcoin being worth $46,000 each. The company mines about 1.5 to 2 Bitcoins per day, but because of the increase, they're thinking about it that it's going to be actually a lot higher. Saying the given current mine difficulty rates, the production of 6 to 9 Bitcoin per day. So that's quite of an increase. Excuse me. So that's going to provide a lot more increase from that side of the house for them as far as revenues go. So that's where you're going to see a major revenue increase for them. And then with the previous news of them selling a solution to residential microgrids, that's another great initiative, because it's probably what I didn't state here earlier is that they did research of the market and that it's big enough demand for them to actually enter and be profitable in it. So I believe they'll probably heading or working with Tesla, and they're probably direct competitors in some levels. So we'll see how that goes, how these two get along, and how they deploy their solutions. Right, so that's about it, guys. We're starting to get into that nice trend upwards, and we're looking good on the MACD and the RSI. Daily, we held pretty good. The little doji there of what you can see. Sorry for all the lines. It's we did not go down any further. We actually pushed it a little bit up. So hopefully, we're going to see an upside. And given like what they're reporting and what that fireside chat tomorrow, with a great outlook for 2021 from the CEO, that should be probably a good catalyst for the stock. All right, guys. Well, thanks a lot for listening. Hopefully it was informative for you. If you like, please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Take care. Night.